Okay, this is the Acer Aspire 7720G with the Asus K70 IC romless MXM card. We have here this is a virtual hard disk and it's booted to Ubuntu. And we currently do not have any visuals on the screen. Problem is this MXM card is romless, so the laptop doesn't detect the card correctly. It can't boot it, so it doesn't work. However, we can still boot normally, and we can just go now to my other PC. And this is a SSH session into the laptop that has booted. Let's see if we can get it a little sharper. Yeah. Okay. I'm here. You see D message, and then I grab Nouveau, and you see the chipset, the GMV96, and it cannot find a BIOS, and it just doesn't do anything. So it boots normally, but the video doesn't work. It doesn't work at all. Also, the BIOS in the laptop BIOS itself, when booting, it doesn't display anything. What we can do now is, let's see. Yeah, you see here, we can first need to remove. Remove. Okay, I need to do my password. Okay, great. We can mod probe Nouveau and give it a specific BIOS, and the VB3.bin is the BIOS I extracted from the K70 IC BIOS. This is the video BIOS, and I put it in user name in lib/lib/firmware. So if I'm gonna press enter now, it will load, and we will get a visual on the screen. So let's see. I press enter, and here we have. Correctly. I hope we should have visual. Okay, let's see what's going on. It should. Let's see what it gives me. Oh, we get a panic notifier. Alright, it's okay. Now, as you see here, it did. Oh, blah blah blah. Yeah, it finds. Yeah. A gig of RAM. Blah blah blah. No, it just works. I think what we need to do now is reboot. Let's see. Reboot the window manager X11, and Ubuntu that's LightDM, and we do a restart. And let's see. And I think we're gonna have visual now. Yeah, there it is. I see the mouse. Suddenly, I see a mouse. Yeah, wonderful. And remember, we do not have any BIOS support for this card. We just load a video BIOS by the display driver. I'll plug in the mouse, and here it's wonderful. I can show you that it's the same computer. We do a D message again. Oh, I need to press here. D message pipe. Oh, sorry, image pipe, and then grab Nouveau. And there we have it again. Hope you can see this. Let's make this a little bit bigger. And there we go. And there we see again this card. We can go a little bit up. Image. We'll see the image VB3.bin. And it finds the signature, blah blah, and it finds everything, and we just load this card. So actually, it's pretty cool because it means that you can check every romless card you have. I doubt you have money, but if you have, you do not need to modify your BIOS. You can just boot a customized version of Ubuntu and mod probe Nouveau with the options, meaning that you can check the VBIOS and check if the card is working without having to have a device that supports it. So this is just a simple proof that this card is working indeed. To be clear, the laptop screen, it looks a bit weird, but I have detached it because I tried another monitor, but I can show you that it's indeed, this is the connector, and this connector indeed goes there. And I'll show you, and here it goes into this laptop. So, maybe, I don't know, yeah. So, this is the Ubuntu laptop running a romless romless MXM card with a V-BIOS loaded from Nouveau from the disk and not using any BIOS. So it's a really cool feature. Note that you need to acquire a recently kernel for the Nouveau driver to be able to do this. I think 3.11, maybe 3.10. But it works, and I think it's really cool. Okay, enjoy. Thank you for listening.